Have you ever had poached eggs turn out like this? The whites spread out, the yolks break, and they just don't look appealing. Today, I'm going to share an incredibly simple, easy-to-follow tip that even kitchen beginners can do at home, helping you create soft, smooth, and visually appealing poached eggs, just like those in a 5-star restaurant. Now, let's get started. First, I'll grab a tray of fresh eggs, carefully set them aside, then prepare 4 glass bowls. Fill each bowl about halfway with water. Then add a pinch of salt and stir until it dissolves completely. Adding salt helps stabilize the water, which in turn helps the egg whites maintain their structure better during steaming, preventing them from separating or becoming runny. Next, crack each egg into its own bowl. When cracking, do so gently to avoid breaking the yolk. At this point, the egg white and yolk will naturally spread evenly in the bowl, helping the egg maintain a neat, round shape after cooking. Once they're ready, I carefully take each bowl of eggs out and gently place them onto the steamer rack, making sure everything is neatly arranged for even cooking. Next, I'll get the steamer ready by pouring in just the right amount of water. Then I'll cover it with a lid and let it heat up until the water comes to a steady boil. Place the steamer rack inside the pot. The gentle steam rising from below will cook the eggs evenly, giving them a smooth texture and a beautifully finished look. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to medium. The ideal steaming time is about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, I lift the lid and take a look. The eggs are perfectly cooked, with an even texture and a beautifully set shape. Then I carefully remove the steamer rack and let everything rest for a few minutes to cool slightly before the next step. Then, gently remove the eggs from the cups and place them on a plate. The finished product will be perfectly round, visually appealing eggs with a soft, smooth white enveloping the yolk inside. Poached eggs are soft, delicate, and lightly creamy, while still preserving most of their nutrients. They're rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a great choice for a healthy breakfast or to pair with salads, toast, or noodles for extra flavor. When cut open, the yolk is smooth and creamy, slowly oozing out, rich and incredibly tempting, the perfect poached egg right at home. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Poach eggs with vinegar. First, prepare a clean glass bowl. Then pour in about 100 milliliters of vinegar. Once I had enough vinegar, I grabbed the measuring bottle and gently poured it into a bowl, getting it ready for the next step. Next, gently crack 5 eggs into the bowl one at a time, being very careful to keep the yolks intact and avoid breaking them. The vinegar helps the egg whites set faster, keeping the eggs neat and intact, preventing them from separating, and resulting in a smooth, restaurant-quality finish. It's wonderful to connect with you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Let the eggs soak in the vinegar for about 5 minutes. Next, place a pot on the stove, pour 1 liter of water into the pot. Now, turn the heat up to high, let the water come to a full boil, and cover it with a lid. Once the water is boiling vigorously, I'll reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, so when I add the eggs, they stay intact and keep their beautiful shape. By this point, the eggs have soaked long enough, so I gently take the bowl away. Gently pour all the eggs into the pot at once. Increase the heat slightly to bring the water back to a boil. While waiting for the water to return to a simmer, if you notice foam or scum forming on the surface, gently skim it off with a spoon. This keeps the water clear and ensures the eggs look more attractive and appealing once cooked. Poach the eggs for about 2 minutes to achieve the ideal doneness. At this point, the egg whites will be just firm enough to hold the yolk, while the yolk inside remains soft, creamy, and slightly runny, creating a delightful, melt-in-your-mouth sensation when enjoyed. Finally, gently lift the eggs out, drain them, and place them on a plate. Perfectly poached eggs will have a smooth, silky white that evenly envelops the yolk without any stringiness or separation. When cut open, the yolk inside will ooze gently, rich and creamy, and incredibly tempting. You can enjoy the poached eggs with bread, salad, or pair them with other dishes to enhance the flavor. With just a few simple steps, you can make restaurant-quality poached eggs right at home. It's wonderful to connect with you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So, with just 2 simple tips, you can now make perfectly soft, smooth, and visually appealing poached eggs that taste just like those from a restaurant, right in your own home. Which method do you prefer? Steaming in a bowl or poaching with vinegar? Or do you have any better tips to share? Leave a comment below so we can discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family so everyone can make these perfect poached eggs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.